Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford Mustang. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 79,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.